Hey everyone! Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your daily life is influenced by subtle tricks designed to manipulate your decisions? From street signs to restaurant menus, everything around us is crafted to influence your choices, often without you even realizing it. Welcome back to QuestifyX. Today we're diving into the psychology of restaurants and how they use clever tactics to make you spend more money while making you feel good about it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Let's dive in. Restaurants, like most businesses, have one primary goal: profit. But instead of outright telling you, spend more money, they use psychology to subtly guide your decisions. They play on your emotions, cravings, and even your sense of logic to ensure you leave satisfied, but with a lighter wallet. Take soda commercials, for example. Have you ever noticed how they always show icy, refreshing bottles during hot weather or fasting seasons like Ramadan? It's no accident. These ads are designed to trigger thirst and cravings, making you want the product before you've even finished watching. Before you even step inside a restaurant, its branding is already working to attract you. Ever wondered why so many fast food chains use red and yellow in their logos and signage? According to experts, red stimulates appetite, while yellow grabs attention. This color combination is a proven psychological tool used by some of the world's biggest restaurant chains to draw customers in. Once you're inside, the real manipulation begins. Menus are far more than just lists of food. They're carefully designed tools to influence your choices. For instance, have you ever noticed that most restaurant menus don't include currency symbols next to prices? Studies show that when menus exclude dollar signs or other currency markers, customers tend to spend more because they're less conscious of the cost. Don't believe me? Grab a menu from your favorite restaurant and check if they list the currency. Then, let me know in the comments. Oh, and while you're there, don't forget to like this video. It really helps us reach more people. This trick works because when you're hungry, your brain prioritizes satisfying cravings over budgeting. Without the visual reminder of money, you're more likely to order extra items you didn't originally plan to buy. Once they've made sure you're not focusing on the price, restaurants pull out another trick: combo meals. By bundling items like burgers, fries, and drinks together, they create the illusion of savings. You might have walked in planning to order just a burger, but suddenly, a meal deal seems like a smarter choice, even though it costs more overall. And it's not just about pricing. Restaurants also use visuals to boost sales. Adding high-quality, realistic images of food to a menu can increase sales by 20 to 27%, according to marketing expert Brian Menke. The more appetizing the picture, the more your brain craves the dish. Words matter too. Instead of simply listing fried chicken, menus describe it as crispy, golden battered chicken with melted cheddar sauce. These vivid descriptions trigger your imagination and make you crave the food before you've even ordered. In fact, some US states have regulations against misleading menu descriptions because they consider them a form of manipulation. Restaurants don't stop at words and pictures. They also use strategic placement to guide your choices. Look at any menu, and you'll notice certain items stand out in clean, isolated spaces. Your eyes are naturally drawn to these highlighted dishes, making you more likely to order them. But the manipulation doesn't end once you've placed your order. Even the size and color of your plate can influence how much you eat, and how much you spend. Studies show that food served on smaller plates appears more filling, while larger plates with wide edges make portions seem smaller, encouraging you to order more. The color of your plate matters too. A study published in Science Direct found that people rated the same strawberry mousse as tasting better when served on a white plate compared to a black one. That's why many restaurants prefer white plates. They enhance the visual appeal of food and make it seem more delicious. In summary, restaurants are masters of psychological manipulation, using colors, words, visuals, and even plate design to influence your dining experience. While these tactics may seem sneaky, they're often designed to make you feel good about spending more. Next time you visit a restaurant, take a moment to notice these subtle tricks. You might be surprised by how much they affect your choices. That's it for today. If you've made it this far, you're the best. Don't forget to like the video before you leave and let us know your thoughts or episode suggestions in the comments. See you next time. Goodbye.